Hi guys, welcome back to Keys to Chinese. This is Savannah. In this video, we're going to talk about how to say how are you like a native. You have probably heard that don't say 你好吗 to express how are you. That's correct. Then what do we say to greet an old friend and ask them how they're doing recently? You can say 你最近怎么样?你最近怎么样? This is probably the most common one that you can use. 最近 means recently. 怎么样 is a question word that we use to ask the quality of something. So you're basically asking your friend how's their life going, how's the quality of their life. To answer this kind of question, you can say 我最近挺好的,我最近还不錯. If you're not doing so well, you can say 我最近還行吧,我最近還行吧. The second sentence you can say to ask how are you is 你最近忙什麼呢?你最近忙什麼呢?忙 means busy doing something. 什麼 means what. So you're basically asking your friend, what are you up to recently? What are you working on? To answer this question, you can say, 我最近工作很忙. I'm very busy at work recently. Or you can say, 我最近在上課. 我最近在上課. 我最近在學中文. 我最近在學中文. I'm learning Chinese recently. So basically, you can just tell your friend what you have been doing recently. If you're visiting older people, you want to ask about their health condition, then you can say, 您最近身體怎麼樣?您最近身體怎麼樣?身體 means body and health. So basically, you're asking, how's your health condition? It sounds really natural in Chinese. You can also use this sentence to ask a friend who is sick recently, to ask them how they're feeling now. So this sentence can be really useful. You can just replace 身体 with whatever word you want to use based on what you are asking, who you are talking to. If you're talking to a person who's in school, you can ask them, 你最近學習怎麼樣?累不累?你最近學習怎麼樣?累不累? Are you tired? It's very typical in China because students who are in middle school and high school, they usually have a lot of schoolwork. Then it's a perfect way to ask them how they're doing. If you're seeing your coworker and want to ask them how they're doing, you can say, 你最近工作怎麼樣?累不累?忙不忙?你最近工作怎麼樣?累不累?忙不忙? You can also use word like 順利 means smooth. 你最近工作順利嗎?你最近工作順利嗎? Alright, I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to use these sentences to ask a friend you know how they're doing. I'll see you guys next time. 再見.